Hi children, welcome to our class. 6th Science, Chapter 4, What do animals eat? Today we are going to learn tracking down food. Already we learnt what are the different types of animals, how do they eat, how do they get food, what do they eat. We know that animals have their own style to gathering the food, collecting the food, taking in food. Let us see how they do this. How do they collect the food? How do they get the food? Name some animals in your house which have the same kind of food habit. Observe in your surroundings or at your home what are the animals they can eat same kind of food. You observe here horse, it can eat grass, cow also eat grass, hay, chicken and hens they can eat corn. Different types of animals that live in our surroundings have their own food habits. Some of the animals they can eat the food by swallowing, nibbling, chewing, scraping, lapping. These are the different food habits of animals. The way of food taking in food and type of food taken. Tracking down food. Most animals feed regularly, but first they must locate food. To do this, they use a wide range of senses: smell, sight, hearing, taste, and touch. Some animals rely more on one sense than the other, and it can therefore be highly developed in them. Let us consider some examples to understand this better. What do you think the dog does to find its food? Which sense of the dog do you think is more developed? What about the vultures that fly high above in the sky and find their food on the ground? Which sense do they mainly use in finding their food? How do bats find their food at night? Thus, we have seen that animals use some senses more strongly than others to find their food. For example, dogs use the sense of smell while vultures use vision. Bats depend more on hearing while some reptiles on taste. These are the examples of reptiles: snake, turtle, chameleon, lizard, crocodile. These are all the examples of reptiles. They have sense of taste. Bats have sense of hearing to get the food. Thank you, my dear children.